California love. Hey everyone, it's Martin Ross, and today we're going to learn California Love by Dr. Dre, 2pac, and the famous talk boxer, Roger Troutman. Before we get into it, please help support my channel. Please check out those links. I'm also an artist. Please check out my music. Link is in the description. Also, if you like my beat remakes, my sample library is in there. Also, please hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Most important, subscribe, click that bell, so that way you get updates straight to your device, and share the video, help my channel grow. Share that video. Also, before we get into it, I'm just going to do this first part, and then I'll have a second video coming out later to see where this video lands. So we're just going to do the meat of the song, and without further ado, let's learn this. All right, everyone, so we're going to play this song in G minor. That's G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, and back to G. Now, I am going to be using some accidentals like D flat and others, but you'll see how that's utilized in this tutorial. So keep to the scale. Your scale is going to sound like... So if you ever get lost, stick to those notes. You can't go wrong. The introduction of the song, the notes that I'm going to be playing looks like C, G, D, then that D flat I was talking about, ending with the C, B flat, and then landing back to G. It's going to go like this. California love. For the verse, the notes are D, F, G, A, B flat, C, back to D. So essentially the whole G minor scale. So let's hear it. California knows how to party. California knows how to party. In the city of LA. In the city of good old Watts. In the city of Compton, we keep 'em rockin', we keep 'em rockin'. All right, so for the shake it baby part, it's F, G, and A. Shake, shake it baby, shake, shake it. Shake, shake it mama, shake it Cali. All right, so now we're moving on to the verses. Now, the ad-lib verses is what I'm working on, and it's kind of a chromatic scale. And I'm going half tones, starting on the F. He does one for Pac, and then he does one for Dre. I'll start with the Dre, and then I'll do the Pac verse. Starting with Dre. All right, now for Pac's verse. Now with the kind of the fumbling of the keys, it's gonna go like this. You're gonna use F, G, and D, and C. It's gonna kind of be like this. All right, I'll do it slower here. It's kind of call back to more bounce there. All right, and there you have it. That's just the chunk of California Love. If this video does well, then I'll do the part 2. Please, let's see it do well. Hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe and click that bell so that way you get updates straight to your device. We almost hit 5,000. I'm trying to get there by the end of the year. So please subscribe and share this video to help my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in my music, check out all the links that I have in my description. This was Martin Ross teaching you California Love with 2pac, Dr. Dre, and the legend Roger Troutman. Y'all take care.